Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Cloudpresenter, a tool that have just arrived on AppSumo, being a Zoom alternative to help you to host your webinars in streaming. They have already 5 reviews on AppSumo, they are positive, and Cloudpresenter is an all-in-one video conferencing platform for remote meetings, online course, and virtual events. You can see here that you're going to get all future professional plan updates if you get the tier 1, and team plan updates if you get tier 2 and beyond. If you get tier 1, it costs $39. It's a pretty good deal for the price. And you're gonna get a 60 minutes webinar duration and 100 seats audience size, also one team member. If you get a higher tier, you're gonna get more audience size, more length for your webinar. It can go up to more than 400 minutes, almost 500 minutes per webinar, and you can go above 1,000 audience size. It's a lot if you get tier 4. The tier 3 here is pretty good for most cases, but also if you want to just hold small meetings, the tier 1 is pretty good and the price is pretty good. So just calculate it accordingly your needs. Let's take a look at the tool. Hello guys, here's the Cloudpresenter dashboard, and everything is easy to understand. You have 2 buttons here. You want to schedule your meetings, new meeting, or meet now, where you can just start a new meeting. So let's say you want to schedule a new meeting, just click here. Then you just choose the topic of a meeting, the start date and time, the duration, that can be up to 408 minutes. You can add a password, a custom URL, change the time zone, and invite participants. You will use your address book to invite the participants to your meetings. You also can attach agenda as a file, display custom instructions, so further customizing your meeting schedule. All meetings, you can also customize the invitation, so the tool can be translated to your language when you change the invitation. Also, you can allow registrations or not, and there are some configurations about audio, video, and content sharing. For the sake of that review, let's start a meeting now. Just click on that button, and I'm going to start the meeting. You can just select your camera, your speaker, and your default microphone. You can see your input level here, if your microphone is working or not. So it's pretty easy to join. Your participants will do the same thing. And just click on join the meeting. Pretty fast. You are on the meetings. And I'm going to show you the options that you have. Here, microphone on or off. You leave the meeting, click on that button. Here, you can raise your hand on the meeting. You can see the participants right now. I think the dashboard is pretty neat. You can chat with people here. Will show up like that on the left. You can react on the chat with emojis, for instance. Here you can create questions. People can see the new question. You can request public vote for the question so people can vote if they want to see that question addressed or not, and queue the question for live answer. You will be able to screen share. I'm going to show you how the screen share works. So I'm currently sharing the screen. Here you can preview the screen sharing. So pretty cool, and it works pretty fast. I think that platform has future. You can create a whiteboard. Here's how the whiteboard works. You can here, start to draw, write your name. You can type anything here. Hello. You can also create more things. You can draw anything that you want and type anything that you want on the dashboard. Here's a content library that you in the post, so you can create and deliver the files here. So let's say I just upload the PNG here, and here I can share the PNG with my audience. Just click on that button, and the audience will be able to download all your content. You can also add a YouTube video, add file from URL, add a web app, pretty cool. For instance, let's try to share Notion. So here I'm sharing Notion, add YouTube video, as I said, just copy and paste the link, and you have a content library here to share with your audience. You can also divide your content library by folders. To create a pool is pretty simple. You can also import pools from CSV and download them. Just here, question 1, answer 1, 2, save. Okay? When you are ready to share, just click on share and people will be able to vote. So pretty simple as well. You can create notes here and share those notes with your audience. And you can also live stream to YouTube and Facebook. It's possible to record your meetings. Just click on the button and everything will be recorded. You can invite people inside the meeting as well using their email address, using the link for invitation. And you can add a password. So it's pretty simple to work. The tool has a virtual background that you can use. You can embed the code of the meeting on your site, change the audio and video. It's pretty simple. You can activate HD video as well. And here you can customize your workspace. Let's leave the session. As you can see here, the tool is pretty neat. You find your recordings here. Here I already have my recording. You can play, you can copy the link, you can download your record. You can message your participants, so you can email them inside the tool, pretty easy. Also, Cloudpresenter has a CRM, so you can add your contacts, divide them by groups, and invite them to the meetings that you want. I think the tool is pretty awesome. If you need a webinar tool, a meeting tool, a Zoom alternative, Cloudpresenter can be the one. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.